All right, let's say I have a folder of videos, whether that's 3 or 30 videos, and I want to batch convert these in HandBrake. Here's how you do it. And if this video helps you, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. Thank you. First, we'll launch HandBrake, and if it opens with this window that allows you to choose the source file, you'll want to point it to the folder that's holding all your videos. If your videos are not in the same folder, it'll be easier to toss them all in one folder for this. Or, if you're in this view here, you'll start by clicking Open Source in the top left corner. Then, go ahead and find the folder that has all your files. Also make sure the checkbox that says Scan Only Title is not selected. You'll want HandBrake to scan everything in that folder. HandBrake basically calls each video a title, which can sometimes be confusing. Then open the folder and watch your videos get loaded in. You'll see preview frames that you can cycle through, and you can now get your settings dialed in. Once your settings are all done, also make sure to choose the destination folder from the bottom. On a Mac, HandBrake usually puts all files in the Movies folder by default, but especially if you're converting larger batches, it's good to keep track of what goes and where, and maybe create a dedicated folder for your converted files. After that, you're not going to hit Start, but you'll look for the Add to Queue button instead. And for batch exporting, you'll want to click the arrow pointing down and choose Add All Tiles to Queue. By default, HandBrake would convert the titles, meaning the videos, one by one, and you could add them to the queue one by one as well if you wanted to use unique settings for each video. But for batch exporting, where all of them use the same settings, we can just process all of them at once. Then I can open my queue, I see what's in there, and I can hit Start to start converting these. This part will obviously take a while, so you can just let it run and check back later when all your videos are done. And that's how you batch export videos in HandBrake. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.